Hi, this is David Van Brent from Swimming Pool Learning, and today I'm going to talk to you about switching your pool light from your standard incandescent bulb to an LED light bulb. If your pool light bulb were to burn out and you're happy with just having the white light in the pool, you can switch it with an LED light bulb, and this will save you a lot in electricity. Note that your regular incandescent light is about 500 watts per hour, and an LED light bulb is anywhere from 12 to 45 watts. But if your pool light is old, I would really suggest going with a new LED light system. These newer systems can produce millions of different color combinations. They're much brighter, and you're going to really enjoy using your pool light with all the different color possibilities. One thing to note is that you can't just change out the light bulb. If you wanted to go with one of these new LED light systems, you have to change out the entire light fixture, which means pulling out the old conduit and putting in a new light fixture and pulling the conduit into the equipment area. This is the process that's done usually by a professional pool service company. It's not really difficult, it's just one of those things where you need to know what you're doing to do it properly. So I suggest looking for someone to do this replacement for you. Some lights I would suggest would be the PAL light system. I like this system because not only is it really innovative, but it's also really easy to replace if something were to happen to the bulb at some point in the future. You simply pull it onto the deck and you would just unplug the fixture without having to run new conduit. If you have an existing automated panel by Jandy, Penta, or Hayward, you might want to go with that particular brand of LED light. That way you can control it easily from the app or from your controller and change the color. I suggest going with the manufactured system that you have already at your house to make things easier. But if you don't have an automated system and you just want to upgrade your system to newer LED lights, I think the PAL Everglow system would be a great upgrade. It's really easy to install, and I really like the remote control that comes with it so you can change the colors very easily. Whatever system you choose, it's going to be a definite upgrade over your standard incandescent light bulb. You're going to be very happy with your upgrade, and you're going to enjoy all the different colors that these new LED lights can produce. Pool Service Pro, open a Leslie's wholesale account today and receive wholesale pricing on products you use every day. Leslie's Pool Supply offers convenient locations that are open 7 days a week. Another great benefit of opening a Leslie's wholesale account is Leslie's referral program. Get referred to a customer looking for weekly pool service. Save time and money and grow your pool service route and become a Leslie's Pro.